Guys, welcome back to another vlog. Here is the beauty getting warmed up. It's been about a minute already since I've turned her up. Look at her. Insane. Let's have a small walk around. And that's after the puja. The puja. I didn't get it washed again after that. It's been pretty clean. Chain loop. Okay, I'll see you guys once I'm out on the road, alright? I don't think this is the gully. Is it? Kawasaki ZX10R. Okate bandi. Company peru Kawasaki. Bandi peru ZX10R. Adi camera. YouTube. Unda YouTube niku? Phone edra anedi mari.
Instagram का आईडी आपका क्या?
ये है Instagram का. Welcome back, guys. So, update till now. Finished one work. I have to kind of go back home. I took my dad's house keys. My dad has no way of locking the house. Let's head back home and just lock the house and get out again. Damn, there is so much traffic. Just bad timing. Traffic for this bike is very, very bad. I don't know, suddenly the bike's rear. The rear felt very weird. Very weird. All of a sudden, out of character. Definitely nothing is wrong with the tire because the pressures were both higher than usual. Oh no. It's okay, it's moving traffic. So I think there is going to be a lot of traffic today. Bad day for a ride on the 10R, I suppose. But let's make it a good one. Let's have some fun out there. I don't mean riding rashly, guys. I mean just enjoying riding the bike. Oh no! I didn't expect so much traffic, guys. Do you want to take the risk? Need to get to JRC. This is probably the only stretch that is even. Oh, Kakalu waiting chestunaru. Yes, we will stop. सर बाइकर भी ना है सर. एक ये हार्ड डिस्क का है. मेरा पूरा GoPro इक्विपमेंट. थैंक यू सो मच. है ना, गायन 10R बोलते. सो स्वीट. See, this is what I said. Can't. It's bumpy, man. Damn. Idiots. Part of the area. We are Manchi Balulam. What is revving? We don't know what revving is. I usually don't rip on this road, just in a hurry now. Amma mundala chaapi mari Amma ee road lo meeda kuda pandi koncham dunkuta. What? Nowadays it's Hyderabad. It's become like Bangalore. Oh my god, this is too much traffic. I'll catch you guys after this. Oh, super. Speed triple 1200 because it definitely didn't look like a street. బైక్ ఎక్కి నడతారా జనాలు అసలు సీరియస్గా. ఆడు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఎవడొస్తుండు వస్తలేడు ఏం చూసుకోకుండా యూటర్న్ రైట్ ఇచ్చి లెఫ్ట్ తిప్పి పడదపోయాడు. Damn! M40i Z4. Damn, every time I flick the throttle I'm like, you wish you were going slower, you wish you were going slower. Whew. It's quite the feeling to shake off, guys. Cannot let my intrusive thoughts win on this machine. Actually I have to take a right here, but not on this bike. It's impossible. I'll see you guys after finishing up my work here. Oh guys, welcome back. This is the jugaad you do. I just hope my phone doesn't fly off. Easy. This patch, I don't know why they would decide to go with this patch. There's no way I can. Even the leftmost one is a little, oh yeah, actually. Oh my god. This is so left from here. I'm riding so jollily, and then once I look down for location, that my phone is not fucking there. The last thing I want to happen. Damn, I have to look down. I have to look so down, so low every time to look at the phone, and that's so scary. Helmet ki kuda kasena pettukovali sir. So, small update. My friend forgot his house key. We are going to his workplace to get the house keys. I used to come here in my inter days when I had the Thunderbird. There was nothing. It was barren land. The GoPro is almost dying. The memory card is anyway empty only almost. I guess we're doing it like this. Let's go. I'm going to just use it in sport, full power all time. But then as I was riding it, I was like, let's try road mode. It has smoother shifts, the fueling is different, the mapping is different. But then again, as I ride the bike, I tend to think, why think about mileage of 1 or 2 kilometers per liter extra? But then again you think, it's smoother, it's better. See, this is my dilemma to ride in sport or road mode. First gear, and it's not even like, this is the problem. I would have had too much fun on the Benelli. Kaka Kirak. Phone maatladukunda ye naduputaru. Road meeda raakandra. Even after 1.5 years of riding, my wrist still hurt because when you're riding out these on the road, not always are you going to be bending on the bike. One thing I hate to do is ride in traffic. The thing I hate on top of that is to be on this bike in traffic. Still slips. One thing I know, you can't let it pick up here. You can't let this bike pick up. You have to shift gears before it picks up. So I've ridden the S1000RR and I've ridden this. I'm not comparing the V4 or the H2, but the way this delivers power compared to the other bikes, other inline fours, is completely different. The S1000RR's power is about a lot more linear. It won't be like you're going 230, 240, 250. It'll be like you're going 230, 240. Arey addu povalra ippadena. Arey agra. Thank you, Kaka. Oh, I see a tail tidy there. Oh, it's just a normal bike. So the reason why I don't remove this bike out mostly is because of the seating position. Because your hands and legs and back are going to just go for a 6 if you are too long in the same position for a long time. So weekend rides are only more than enough. I think if I ride this on the daily, my back would be like, what the fuck, nigga? Ah, no, it stopped. Why did it stop? Don't stop. Guys, is tail tidy a thing now or something? Because I see each and every guy making it. Uncles are also flicking having tail tidies and shit. Whenever I ride this bike, I'm always tucked in, one with it. Even when I'm off the seat on one bump,